So you've never started a business before, and that's why you haven't started an ATM business. You're afraid. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009. I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that will generate consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, why would you want big chunks of cash in small time frames and consistent monthly passive income? It's going to be different for everybody. But a lot of people that come to this channel to learn about the ATM business want to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. They want to take back their time. They want their freedom, right? Then you got the folks that want to supplement their retirement, or maybe they haven't planned for retirement and this is going to be their retirement. Then you got the people that want to invest smaller amounts of money to make a decent return on their investment instead of huge amounts of money to make a decent return on their investment. Then you got the folks that are looking for legacy wealth creation for their family, right? Their kids, their grandkids, their great-grandkids, so on and so forth. Then you got people that want big chunks of cash in small time frames and passive income, monthly passive income, for a reason that is personal to them that I don't even know, I haven't even mentioned, right? This is for each individual person to decide why they want these things, and you could check off multiple boxes, right? But here's the thing. If you would like to collapse time frames and reach that end goal of yours faster is good, right? Cutting down the time it takes to get there, then I would love to help you, okay? I will help you get there faster, okay? And then I invite you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Better yet, just click the link in the description, enter your email, watch that video, and then book a call with my team. Together, you guys will figure out if we're fit to work together, okay? You want to get there faster, right? You don't want to take 20 years to get there because you want to do it on, you're going to do it on your own and watch 300 million YouTube videos and read 23,000 blogs, right? You don't want to take 10, 20 years to get there because you're doing it that way, right? To save money. Right? You're costing yourself time. Time is not money. Time is infinitely always more valuable than money. So the faster you can get your time back, the faster you can get your freedom back, the better. Okay? So let me help you. Click on that link below. All right, so here we are. You're like, Carey, I'm working at this job. I hate my boss. My boss is a dick. My boss doesn't respect me. I haven't gotten a raise in 3 years. You know, I haven't even gotten a cost of living raise, right? And all they do is excuse, and now COVID is the excuse, and pandemic is the excuse. Carey, what do? I'm doing the job of 20 people and getting paid for, you know, one, and not even getting paid what I'm worth. I want to do something, but I've never started a business before. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. What if I fail? Right? Here's my question to you. What if you don't? What if you're successful in this new business that you start? What if you're so successful that you now have the choice to fire your boss? What if you're so successful that you now have the choice to do anything with your life? You can do what you want, when you want, where you want, with whom you want, for how long you want. What if you have the choice now to have no income cap ever? What if it works? Did you ever ask yourself that question? You got to start changing the way you think. Start changing the way you think. Start thinking in ways that will empower you and not disempower you. Start changing the way you think so that the way you think will move you forward in your life and not keep you stagnant or take you back. Okay? I know change is scary. I get it. I know doing something you've never done before is scary. I get it. I know. Done it. I've started several businesses and the majority of them all failed. Didn't stop me. I kept going. Okay? Kept going until I found the one that did succeed. And succeeded beyond my wildest expectations. Okay? Now, obviously, if you've never started a business before, you know, there's so many uncertainties and so many more things flying through your head, right? And that's why you definitely should get some support. You should have coaching, have a mentor, right? That'll help you through this. That'll give you a step-by-step of what to do. And the step-by-step of what to do in this new business, that's not the most important part of a mentor. I know you're like, what? The most important part of a mentor is how they help you when you get in your own freaking way and you get stuck. And you start filling your head with all these negative feelings, negative emotions, negative actions, and this whirlwind of shit starts going on for you. That's where a mentor can help you figure that all out and get you back on track, right? Does that make sense? Right? The step-by-step, anybody can show you that. Anybody can show you that. That's not a big deal. Anybody can do that. A monkey could do that, right? The real mentorship comes in when you get stuck, when you have problems, when you have issues and you need help and you don't know what to do, you don't know who to turn to, and you're just not moving forward. You're just running in circles. You're just sitting in fear. That's what a mentor does. That's how they help you. Okay? And a lot of people out there can teach you the step-by-step, but they can't help you with the other stuff. I've been doing this since 2011. I know I can help you with the other stuff, the most important stuff, the stuff that'll keep you frozen and keep you from moving forward, right? Because if I tell you step-by-step what to do, but you got something going on in your head that ain't even letting you do step number one, well, that's a problem. Like, what's the use of the step-by-step? What's the use of the vendors? What's the use of the contract? What's the use of anything, of the scripts? When you in your mind are stopping yourself at step one, that's what a mentor does, right? And if you never started a business before, I think it's even more important that you have a mentor to go through this process, okay? So please don't let the fact that you've never started a business before stop you. I have several students, the ATM business is their first business they ever started. There's no reason it can't be your first business. And I bet you, if you start an ATM business, it ain't gonna be your last business. You're gonna get the bug. You're gonna get the bug, right? And you're gonna be growing your ATM business, creating your wealth, and then using that wealth to invest in other things and create other businesses. That's what happens. All right, hopefully this makes sense. Look, if you got any questions about this, please don't hesitate to post your questions below. Give me ideas below for future videos, okay? And don't forget, if you haven't already, like this video. Give me some thumbs ups, all right? And in the corner right there, or there might be right there, I don't know where it is, but in one of these corners is an ATM. Please click it, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, select always, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. All right, Carey Buck signing off here. Remember, if you need help, if you want me to help you, I'd love to be your mentor. Just click the link below, enter your email, watch the video, book a call with my team together. You'll figure it out if we're fit for one another, okay? I'll talk to you soon. May you live happily off of passive income. Hey, Carey Buck here. I hope you enjoyed that last video. If you got any questions or comments or even ideas for future videos, just post that below, okay? And do me a big favor. If you have not done so already, give me some thumbs up, some likes for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification and select always